Hi, grade 7 learners. Welcome to Education with Sir Jason. I am so happy to see all of you here today. How's everyone doing? Feel free to drop an emoji or say hello in the chat. Today, we're going to talk about something super important but often overlooked, the transitional markers. Have you tried telling a story but felt like something was missing, like your ideas were scattered? That's where transitional markers come in. By the end of our session, you'll be a pro at connecting ideas smoothly. Let's start with our goals for today. We will be having three objectives, and they are the following. First objective is to define transitional markers. The second objective is to identify and classify transitional markers. And the third objective is use transitional markers effectively to enhance flow in storytelling. Imagine you're sharing a story about typhoon hitting a parade. You say it rained, the wind blew, the trees fell. It feels so choppy, right? Now, compare that to this. First, it rained. Then, the wind blew stronger. And finally, the trees fell. See the difference? That's the power of transitional markers. They are like bridges connecting your ideas and sentences. Here are 10 functions of transitional markers. We have to add, to compare, to prove, to show time, to show exception, to emphasize, to show sequence, to repeat, to summarize, and to give example. Here are some transitional words that we can use if we want to add and, again, and then, besides, equally important, finally, further, furthermore, nor, to, next, lastly, what's more, moreover, and in addition. Aside from that, we can also use transitional devices to compare, like whereas, but, yet, on the other hand, however, nevertheless, on the contrary, by comparison, were compared, up against, balance against, vis-a-vis, but, although, conversely, meanwhile, after all, in contrast, although, etc. Okay? We can also use transitional devices if we want to prove something or if you want to give reason. Okay? For example, because, for, since, for the same reason, obviously, evidently, furthermore, moreover, besides, indeed, in fact, in addition, in any case, that is. Or you can also use transitional devices to show time. Like, for example, immediately, thereafter, soon, after a few hours, finally, then, later, previously, formerly, first, second, third, next, blah, 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 and so on and so on. Okay? You can also use transitional devices to show exception. Like, for instance, yet, still, however, nevertheless, in spite of, despite, of course, once in a while, sometimes. Or you may also use it to emphasize, like for example, definitely, extremely, obviously, in fact, indeed, in any case, absolutely, positively, naturally, surprisingly, etc. We can also repeat our ideas using transitional devices, like for example, in brief, as I have said, as I have noted, as has been noted. Or we can also use the transitional devices to show sequence, like for example, first, second, third, and so forth. Okay, here are other transitional markers that we can use to show sequence. You can read it silently. Okay. We can also use the transitional devices to show cause or effect. In cause, we can use the following words: because, since, as, due to, owing to. For the effect, we can use therefore, as a result, consequently, hence, and thus. Okay? Or we can also give example. Like, for example, for instance, in this case, in another case, on this occasion, in this situation, etc., etc. And finally, we can use transitional devices to summarize, like in brief, on the whole, summing up, to conclude, in conclusion, as I have shown, as I have said, hence, therefore, accordingly, thus, as a result, consequently. Okay, so those are the functions of transitional markers in our writing. Now, let's see if you can identify and classify transition markers. Are you ready? For your first task, you are going to identify the transitional markers. Take note that in some items, there may be more than one transitional markers that is present. Okay, so let's start with number one. Signal number four was hoisted in Apari, Cagayan. As a result, many schools were closed for safety. What is the transitional marker used in number one? For number one, the correct answer is as a result. Now, what is the function of as a result? I will give you 5 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. The function of as a result is to show effect. For item number two, we have this one. First, the rain started falling heavily, and then the wind began to blow stronger. I will give you 10 seconds to identify the transitional marker or markers. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's see. The answer is, okay, so we have two answers here. We have first, and the second is then. Now, what is the function of first and then? I will give you 5 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. Okay, the function is to show sequence. Okay, next we have, okay, number three. However, the strong winds did not stop the community from helping each other. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the answer is, okay, the correct answer is however. Okay, now what is the function of however? I will give you 5 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. The function of however is, okay, to compare or show contrast. Next, number four. In addition, people were advised to stay indoors until the typhoon passed. What is the transitional marker used in number four? I will give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is in addition. And what is the function of in addition? I will give you 5 seconds to think of your answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is to add. So that's the function or the purpose to add. Okay, next, we have number 5. For example, the local government opened evacuation centers for those in need of shelter. What is the transitional marker in item number 5? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The correct answer is for instance. Okay, very good. Now, what's the function of for instance? I will give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is, okay, the correct answer is to give example. All right. And let's proceed to the last item for our first activity. Finally, the storm slowly weakened and people began to clean up the damage. I repeat, finally, the storm slowly weakened and people began to clean up the damage. I will give you 10 seconds to answer these items. Item 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is finally. Okay, that's the correct answer. Now, what's the function of finally? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The function of finally is to show sequence. All right, let's proceed to the next part of our lesson. It's about using transitional markers. Imagine you are telling a story about an approaching typhoon and you want your friend to feel the tension of each moment. Transitional markers can help connect the events and build suspense. Read the scene below and fill in the missing transition words by choosing from the box below. Okay, so our choices are the following: soon, then, suddenly, finally. What you are going to do is to fill in the blanks using the correct transitional markers. Tropical cyclone wind signal number 4 was implemented in Paris. Blank, dark clouds began to gather on the horizon. Blank, the wind picked up, bending the trees. Blank, the rain started to pour heavily, making it difficult to see. Blank, the townspeople rushed indoors, preparing for the typhoon. Okay, I will give you 30 seconds to think of your answer in this simple passage about a typhoon. Last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's check. Tropical cyclone wind signal number 4 was implemented in Apari. What is the appropriate word that we should put in the first box or first blank? Okay, the correct answer is suddenly. How about in the second blank? The correct answer is soon. In the third, the correct answer is then. And finally, in the last blank, the correct answer is the word finally. So that it will become like this. Tropical, cy- tropical cyclone wind signal number 4 was implemented in Apari. Suddenly, dark clouds began to gather on the horizon. Soon, the wind picked up, bending the trees. Then, the rain started to pour heavily, making it difficult to see. Finally, the townspeople rushed indoors, preparing for the typhoon. Okay, let's have another activity. But in this part, instead of just 4 items, we will be having 5 items. Okay, I'm going to read it first. And then, just like a while back, I will give you 30 seconds also to think of your answer. The volunteers packed boxes of food and water. Blank, they loaded the boxes onto the truck and headed for the affected area. The road was difficult to navigate due to the flood waters. Blank, the truck got stuck in the mud, delaying the journey. Blank, they worked together to get the truck moving again. Blank, they arrived in the community where the residents were waiting. The volunteers began distributing the relief goods. Blank, more people arrived, so the volunteers quickly worked to provide supplies to everyone. I will give you 30 seconds to answer this activity. After 30 seconds, we are going to check. Last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's check. The volunteers pack boxes of food and water. What's the answer in the first blank? The answer is then. Okay. How about in number 2? What's the answer? The correct answer is however. In number 3, the correct answer will be thus. Then the answer on number 4 is finally. And in number 5, the answer is as a result. So that the paragraph will become like this. The volunteers packed boxes of food and water. Then they loaded the boxes onto the truck and headed for the affected area. The road was difficult to navigate due to the flood waters. However, the truck got stuck in the mud, delaying their journey. Thus, they worked together to get the truck moving again. Finally, they arrived in the community where the residents were waiting. The volunteers began distributing the relief goods. As a result, more people arrived, so the volunteers quickly worked to provide supplies to everyone. Thank you for joining me today. This ends our lesson for today. But before that, I want you to always remember this. Transitional markers are important because they help organize the story and show the relationship between different parts. Without them, the story might feel confusing or jump from one idea to another without explanation. These markers help us understand when something happens, why it happens, or how things are connected in time or in place. So that's all for today. Once again, this is your Sir Jason for Education with Sir Jason.